The Ultraboosts are primed and it's time to get the full bling treatment. It's time to put on boosted stripes. Let's go! Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming. Before I get to the subject of this video, let me just give a shout out to two of my new subscribers, that's Dirty Brit and Super Marshall. For the past week, they have been engaged and their comments have been very helpful and encouraging. Looking forward to more new subscribers and more inspiration coming from the YouTube community. Now back to the matter at hand, Boosted Stripes. Boosted Stripes is a company by two guys from Chicago, and paraphrasing what they say in their website, by Boosted Stripes, with their different backgrounds, different styles, and different skills, and driven by their passion for sneakers and personal expression, they aim to innovate and disrupt the huge sneaker industry by providing us a way to stand out, be able to express ourselves, and make us feel confident. They sell several products, but I was mainly interested in their main one. So last month, I got myself several boosted stripe kits, plus a couple of special laces to bring some heat to my otherwise generic Ultraboosts. So my two Ultraboosts have been cleaned, and I have selected the boosted stripe kits I will use for each, along with the katakana laces I will put on to give my sneakers the full boosted stripes treatment. Work table is ready, so time for me to get to work. I will do some video magic, so stay tuned and hang on till the end to see the results. And there you go, a black Ultraboost with silver chrome stripes and black katakana laces, and the clear brown Ultraboost with the space color shift stripes and navy blue katakana laces. I'm definitely very pleased with the results, and in my opinion, these look better than some collabs. I am very excited to take these sneakers for a spin. So to conclude, if you have some regular Ultraboosts you want to bring some new life to, try Boosted Stripes. With some good color selection and with a little bit of work, you can turn normal sneakers to heaters. And that's it. Please click like and subscribe and watch out for my next videos. MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, signing off. Peace.